How to cash out in Litmatch. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you ways to cash out on Litmatch. In order to cash out on Litmatch, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now unfortunately there's no such direct method of withdrawing cash from Litmatch, but then you can withdraw diamonds from Litmatch. So in that case, what you can do is go ahead and log into your Litmatch account, and after that you have to go ahead and open up your page. Right on this page you can look for the option to cash out. That's going to be provided on the menu page, but then there's no such thing as cash out. So if you go to your profile and tap the icon located in the top right hand side corner, and here you can locate whether you have this option as cash out or not. If you see any, then you can go ahead and tap on the option to cash out, and you may be prompted to choose your preferred withdrawal method as well. Then you can select the preferred withdrawal method from the available option, and the common withdrawal method is including PayPal, bank transfer, or gift card whatsoever. You can just follow the prompt, and basically that's how you can do it. Or else if you have a diamond and that you wish to withdraw, you can just go ahead and tap on it, and accordingly you can see an option as withdrawal right at the bottom, and select the destination where you actually want to withdraw, and then it should be withdrawn to the following destination. So that's how you can cash out in Litmatch. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.